a indestructible train. A train that not even the werewolves can climb into, with a safe room if things get dangerous. That was my mission in this video, and I made it happen. So I started off by buying a rifle and just a bit of ammo, shotgun and rifle. And then it was time to get started. Let's take the rifle, shotgun, and then we'll take the pistol. Grab all this ammo. Sweet. Sell this gold bar. Alright, $70. I'm gonna pick up this newspaper as well for the extra fuel. Alright, we're ready. Let's get started. The journey to build this train, which is just empty right now, into something crazy. Alright, let's not lose any health here. Come on. And we can take these for fuel. Yeah, it's just a white horse. Alright, safe. This. Oh, we have our first barbed wire, okay. Alright, it's gonna be 6 PM, so we're gonna do this at night. Which obviously has its risks, but hey, we need some good loot if we're gonna make a good train. Please, nothing too... Oh my god, that made me jump. That made me jump so bad. I think it might be zombies that are spawning. Yeah, zombies. Fast zombies. I think it's almost there. Okay, it's there now. Is there not any zombies spawning? Sponges, what we wanted. Ooh. Ooh. I just... Let's run back to the train, and then we'll come back to the vault, open that, and yeah, we'll just grab some fuel on the way back too. Why do I only have 14? Oh, this might be dangerous. It could be werewolves. So I just need to hide in here for some time, and we should be... don't really know how. Alright, let's go, let's go. Oh, more gold stuff. 2. Alright, let's get some bonds back. Need this. We spent a lot of that. Ooh. And I think it's just about to turn night as well. Yeah, 6 PM. So we have all this now. And we haven't even made it to the first safe zone yet. So I'd say that's quite a good start, right? We can stop here quick. If we're quick. I need store ammo for the end. Oof. Okay. Let's see how much we will make from all this then. I wonder what will spawn. Oh, it's werewolves. General store. What is available in here? We have the walls, So we can start building the basics of the train already. So this, by this, by this. Alright, let me store all that. Alright, look how high these walls are. It should be impossible for the werewolf to jump over them. Nice. Alright, let's buy some more walls over here. Hey. Okay, let's make sure there's a glitch in the floor. Alright, so now I have holes here where I can see and shoot people. Alright, so we now have this, so we can look over here, shoot people, and then we can see down here to shoot people through these holes. Alright, next up is this side. Got all this money. Damn, we're already back at 349. For now, we're just going to attach these here. Because we need to get ready to go soon. That's it. I'm just grabbing extra walls in case of needing them. Alright, I have 10. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's werewolves. Yeah, we can't stop anywhere. Okay, this up's one. Let's see what the code. Wait, there's 2. 56362 14626 14626 6. Six and 2. Anything else worth taking? Like some more crosses? Yep. I don't know what the holy water does, which is why I'm not taking it. I need to hurry up. Grab some zombies on the way back. Let's go. Alright, we're done here. And it's 9 p.m, so let's go. Why do they keep spawning in the sky? Oh, armor. Alright, we'll buy the helmet. Boom. Buy the chest. And there, we have some armor already. And we can buy barbed wire next. Oh, now we have these little holes, which can also be shot through. To put this on. I think I'm just gonna go for something like that, and then let's see if I can do it again. Alright, look at that. That's a nice little front thing. Oh my god. How did he get up there? So I mean though, I can shoot this guy. Oh my god, it's working. And then we have this place back here. There's so many werewolves. I didn't even realize. And that's all the walls we need. Don't actually need any more walls. Alright, we need to get some ammo quickly as well. Alright. Perfect, perfect. And then look, we get in here by going like this. And nothing else should be... Oh, we have 2 cool though. Alright, we can go. Wait, we can raid this real quick. It's actually really easy to do. Get some good loot. Let's try. What the hell? Oh, is there a werewolf? Where's the rest? I need this place for the money. Open this. Supply depot. If it lets me. Alright, we have a cannon, but I don't know if it's worth it. Alright, now we have to fight off all these. Do they spawn in my train? No. We need these guys for fuel. Throw a bunch in the fire. Oh, and if fuel. I think we can go straight to the next safe place, to be honest. Oh, this is the she right here. We're only on 30k. There's such a long way to go. Alright, let's go sell this guy to the sheriff. 150. Let's go. Alright, we'll buy... Oh my god. I'm gonna buy loads of pieces of coal. Let's go. Now I wonder if this will be enough. Alright, here's a pole of coal we have now. We have almost a full tank here, so we should be okay for a while. I'm just gonna quickly collect these bodies here and sell them. And then we can move on to the next milestone. What time is it? 9 AM? We could do the city. I think yeah, I'm confident enough to do this. Let's do it. Oh. 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 Yeah, guys, you saw nothing there, okay? Oh look, there's some free looting guns here. Let's take it. I can't believe I just died like that. That is insane. Alright, we're almost at 40,000. Which means we're halfway. Now, since we died, we have no choice but to buy loads of ammo. Let's look at our ammo now. Oh my god, that was so bad. I can't believe that happened. That guy came out of nowhere and just assassinated us. And then I got pinned by all the other ones as well. I couldn't move. I was so confident in myself and then that happened. Let's put some coal in. And let's start pushing forward. The way this is actually built though, I can sit in here forever and just do nothing. I could just watch. What time is it? 5 PM? Alright, some free ammo. I'll take it. Some more fuel. I left armor. I didn't know you could find armor. That's so good. Okay, 50k miles. And we're in the next. Can you buy legs as well? So I have these armor pieces, but I'm not sure if I can get legs. I'm scared of jumping out now. The banks are close though. 42243. Great. Alright, we've got all our bonds back. So that's good. 25231. Five 556. Look at this. Alright, we have to leave this one of the silver bars and get out of here. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no. Go, 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 go. This could be so bad. Go. Oh, it's lightning. Let's save them. Alright. We're now at the 60k safe place. We'll stop here to sell all the gold bars and silver bars that we got. And maybe there'll be something good in the store. Oh, storm's cleared up. So it is now time to go in here. Alright, there's more shoulder plates, but there's barbed wire. That's great. Let me grab the silver bar. A gunsmith? Do I need more bullets? I don't think so. Alright, we're just gonna buy loads of barbed wire then. Oh, there's money on the roof. 150. $700. Alright. Alright, we're gonna put barbed here. And no barbed there. Alright, I'm just gonna put barbed wire all the way along here. I think the eyes are still fine. Alright, I'm just gonna get some zombies, cause why not? I think I might just go straight to the end now. I kind of feel ready. Don't know about you guys, but I think the train is ready to go. Could be wrong. Alright, one of the zombies are gonna go right on here. Alright, I hope nothing else can jump up there like that, like I just did. But I think we're ready to go straight to the end now. I mean, come on, look at this train. Wow. So nice. Why does it just say 10? Alright, it's gonna be kind of hard to make a thumbnail for this video, I can't lie. But it's all good. This is some content for, I think this might be our first ever video we upload on the channel. I do hope the channel does well. You know, I want to make YouTube a full-time thing and just do YouTube every day. So yeah, I hope it does work out. I'm gonna try my best, and if you guys subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. And yeah, just any support would be much appreciated, bro. Thank you guys. Thank you for even watching this video. That is a busy town. It's just lightning. Alright, let's start going to the last stage. We're gonna see how well this train holds up. I do think it's gonna work out well, but you know, I can only know until we go and do it and see what happens. Got $9 to our name. It is. Here we go. Let's see how well this train holds up. Okay, so far so good. Alright, we're in the deep. Okay, they're unable to get in. Oh, what? I think they're killing each other. Oh no, they're dying to the barbed wire. Let's kill these guards. Wait, we barely even needed to kill any cowboys. They all just died to the barbed wire. That's hilarious. Well, that's proof that this train does indeed work. Yeah, so it's time to lower the bridge and let's see if we can win. I do hope we can. Why does this say there's only 100 ammo? Oh, here we go. So just reload. They're not even coming close. That's all they got. 2 minutes left on the timer. Oh my god. Oh wait, they might get close. Oh no. Oh, we're inside. We're safe, we're safe. Oh my god, what do we do? Oh my god. This train is so good. This train is so good. Look at them, they can't even get me. They can't touch me. Oh, mistake, that's a mistake. Jesus. Look at them all. And then we have this little gap we can run in and out of. And we can just kill them through here. And if there's one there, you can get this. You can jump up here and shoot him in the head. That body's in the way. On a werewolf night, and we survived it. Let's go. Oh my god. There we go. That is a indestructible train, guys. You should definitely use that train if you're struggling to win, because that little box inside, I could just sit in there and do nothing. Like, they wouldn't be able to attack me whilst I'm inside there. So I could probably like lower the bridge and just sit in there and let every zombie come. And I'm pretty sure I'd be fine. Jesus. Not one game, we're now 13. And we have so many bonds now as well. Let's go. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. And this is my first ever like YouTube video on this channel, so make sure to subscribe and like, and if you could leave a comment, it would be much appreciated. And yeah, please stick around and support me, and let's see how far I can get this year, if I can get to 100k subs. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.